Community integration is a key part of what we think of when we're thinking of services and programs, and how we continue to move through drastic system changes. When people have the opportunity to be included in a part of their community, and there's nothing better than those opportunities. A specific example that we have here at the Sandusky County Board of DD is our integrated preschool. We have 2 integrated preschool classes, and children who have some limitations and delays in their life are learning and playing and developing friendships with those peers who are typically developing and advancing. It shows and teaches sensitivity and compassion and friendship at a very, very young age. And to me, that's just the beginning of how we look at community integration as we continue to move through all stages of life. Living in our communities and working alongside each of us are important aspects that we look at when we're looking at and thinking of services here in Sandusky County.